Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Fit Food and Yoga channel. My name is Subha. I hail from Kochi, India, and I live in Florida, USA right now. I am an AC certified personal trainer. I specialize in fitness nutrition, yoga, and antenatal yoga. I'll be doing videos on fitness, yoga, yoga for pregnant women, and nutritional recommendations. Today, I'll be showing you how to perform Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara activates most of the muscles in your body. That is the reason it is also known as ultimate asana. It stretches and strengthens most of the muscles in your body. It brings a nice curvature to your spine and makes your spine flexible. It improves digestion. It is good for metabolism. It brings a glow to your skin. It is good for menstrual issues and many more. Do not perform Surya Namaskara if you have high blood pressure, slip disc, severe back pain, or other joint-related issues and hernia. Let me show you how to perform Surya Namaskara. The initial state is Tadasana. Your feet together. Your weight should be equally distributed on the feet. You shouldn't go back, front, or to the side. You should be standing straight, your shoulders straight, your spine straight, your neck straight with a smile on your face. Your hands should go in Pranamasana. Your elbow should be parallel to the ground with a smile on your face. You are going to start the practice with a prayer. The prayer is optional, but if you are okay with it, chant the prayer before starting Surya Namaskara. The prayer is Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Pushanna Pavrunu Satyadharmaya Drishtaye. Usually, you should face the sun while practicing Surya Namaskara. Step 1. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale and exhale, Shashankhasana. Inhale and exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale, Shashankhasana. Inhale, Ashwasanchalana. Now you are taking your opposite leg front. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. And back to Pranamasana with a smile on your face. Now I have demonstrated the Surya Namaskara. Now I'll give you instructions for each and every step. Step 1. Hasta Uttanasana. Your feet are together If you are not able to bend back with the feet together, you can keep a small distance or a hip width distance between your feet. Your hands are at the front. Lift your hands up and bend back. While you are bending back, make sure you are not putting too much strain on your neck. Generally, it is seen that to get more curvature or to go to the perfect pose, you tend to take your neck back more and strain your neck. Make sure your neck is between the hands. This is Hasta Uttanasana. Step 2, Pada Hastasana. From Hasta Uttanasana, you exhale and bend down as much as possible. While coming down, you try to relax the muscles at your back, and most of your weight can fall to the front of your feet. But while bringing the weight to the front of your feet, do not lift your heel up. Pada Hastasana. If you are not able to reach down, that is okay. The intention of this asana is to give more stretch to your leg and give a stretch to the muscles at the back. Step 3, Ashwasanchalana. You are in Padahastasana. From Padahastasana, you move to step 3, Ashwasanchalana. Take your right leg back. Your front leg is straight. It is perpendicular to the ground. Make sure your knee is not going in front of your toe like this. It should be parallel, or it can go up to the toe level. Stretch your leg at the back. You can keep it like this, or if you are not comfortable, you can leave it like this. And look up. From Ashwasanjalana, we are moving to step 4, Chaturanga Dandasana. You're taking your left feet also backwards and standing in a full plank position. Make sure your body is not too low or not too high. Try to maintain your body in a plank position. Step 5 is Shashankhasana. This is a rest posture. You are trying to sit on your heel. Exhale in this position. While coming to this position, you have to exhale and come down and breathe normally. Next step is Ashtanga Namaskara. Come forward, try to touch your chin down, your chest down, your knee down, and your feet is down. Your butt is lifted up. Next step is Bhujangasana. You slide forward and come up. Make sure your shoulder is straight. Do not hunch like this or like this. Your shoulder should be straight and your body up till the navel is going up. Look up and keep breathing. Next step is Parvadasana. You are standing like a mountain. While coming to this posture, you have to exhale and come. And after reaching this position, you can keep breathing. Next step is again Shashankhasana. You are sitting on the heel and trying to rest. If possible, you can keep your head down. Do not lift your butt like this while trying to keep your head down. If you are not able to bring your head down, that is still okay. Sit on the heel and come down as much as possible. Next step is Ashwasanchalana. So while doing Ashwasanchalana in step 3, you took your right leg back. Now you are bringing your right leg front and your left leg is back. Again, make sure your knee is not going in front of your toe. And look up. Inhale. While going to this posture, you have to inhale and look up. After reaching this position, you can breathe normally. Next step is Padahastasana. You're bringing both your feet together, looking down. Most of your weight is in the front of your leg. Keep breathing. The last step is Hasta Uttanasana and Pranamasana. While going to Hasta Uttanasana, make sure you tighten your glute muscle and your core muscles so that the pressure will not go to the joint. Today we learned how to perform Surya Namaskara. If you are a person who doesn't have much time to do exercise, performing Surya Namaskara will help to stretch most of your muscles. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell button for future notifications. Be happy, stay healthy. Thank you. Namaste.